us to present a citation on the inaugural lecturer and then pave way for his presentation of the paper. The 31st inaugural lecturer of the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, the 131st place inaugural lecturer of the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, Reverend Professor Emmanuel Lenanya Chinwoku, Diploma in Theology, London, PA First Class, Honors, Nigeria, Masters in Theology, Princeton, PhD, Nigeria, Professor of Biblical Studies, University of Nigeria. It is with joy and high sense of responsibility that I stand before you this afternoon to present a citation on our inaugural lecturer, from whose intellectual fountain we shall all drink today. I feel highly honored to be requested to read a citation on this intellectual icon, Professor Emmanuel Lenanya Chinwoku, whose sandals I am not qualified to untie. This is so because by 1986, when I graduated from the same department, he was already a senior lecturer. Imagine the yawning gap. However, I stand as the precursor who clears the way, hence creating an enabling ambient environment for the presentation of his lecture. On this note, I want to unequivocally state that the man of the moment is a man with high academic pedigree, a man of diverse tentacles, and a man whose superlative achievements have defied verbal descriptions. It should be clearly stated that our inaugural lecturer is humane, persevering, generous with knowledge, and encapsulated with wisdom and high intellectual capacity. Into the intellectual citadel of the University of Nigeria and worked out with a first-class honors degree in religion in 1977. He went on to obtain the Master of Theology degree from Princeton Theological Seminary in New Jersey, USA in 1979, and the PhD from the University of Nigeria in cooperation with the Durham University, England, in 1983. On completion of his formal education, Elanya did not waver for his test to impart knowledge at the tertiary level, a test that germinated with his appointment as assistant lecturer in religion in his alma mater in the University of Nigeria, Nsukka. That was in 1980. Due to his voracious capacity for research, his sense of duty, and superlative intellect, he attained rapid promotions. He was promoted to lecturer 2 in 1981, lecturer 1 in 1984, senior lecturer in 1986, and a double jump to professorship in 1988. Professor Chinwoku has contributed quite significantly to the University of Nigeria and outside bodies. He acted in the following positions: Editor, African Journal of Biblical Studies, 1985 to 1990, member, Faculty of Social Sciences, Social Editorial Board, 1986 to 1987, member of Senate of the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, 1988 to date, member, University Research Grant Committee, 1988 till date, till 1993. Chairman, Faculty of Social Sciences Research Grant Committee, 1988 to 1993. Head, Department of Religion, University of Nigeria, Nsukka, 1994 to 1998. Editor, Nsukka Journal of Religious Studies, University of Nigeria, 1996. Member, Faculty of Social Sciences Research Grant Committee, 1997. University of Nigeria Representative at the Governing Council of St. Paul's College, Awka, 1994 to 1997. Chairman, Governing Council of Hope Goldie Lay Theological Training Institution, Arochukwu, 2000 to 2007. Member, Governing Council of Trinity Union Theological College, 1997 to 2001. Member, University Senate Research Grant, 1988 to 1993. Postgraduate Supervisor for MA and PhD for over 30 years. So you can consider the number already produced. Most of us are his products. Editor-in-Chief, Journal of New Testament Research, 2005. Member, National University Commission Accreditation Panel to Nigerian Universities from 2005 till date. The Coordinator of Postgraduate Studies, Department of Religion and Cultural Studies. Editor, African Journal of Biblical Research, 2014. Editor, Niger Delta Journal of Humanities and Social Sciences, 2015 till date. Chief Examiner in CRK for JAMB, 1989 till 2000. External Examiner, Anambra State College of Education, Okas Logunsugwe, 1989 to 1992. Again, 1995 to 1997. External Examiner, University of Ibadan. External Examiner, Spiritan International School of Theology at Abu Enugu. External Examiner, St. Paul's University College, Oka. External Examiner, Federal College of Education, Abuja. Director, Center for Rural Empowerment, Soka. External Examiner, Delta State University, Abraka. Consultant, NEST, Ibadan. External Examiner, University of Jos. Though the concentration of his service is at the University of Nigeria, Lelania's intellectual copiousness has also been extended to other universities around the globe. He was visiting professor in University of Zimbabwe, 1993-1994, visiting scholar, University of Cambridge, 1995, visiting scholar, University of Edinburgh, 1995. He has served as external examiner to many institutions of higher learning, as already pointed out above, and consultant to several intellectual organizations. A dedicated lecturer with enormous commitment and respected mentor of his students, Lenanya has taught an avalanche of undergraduate and postgraduate courses ranging from Old Testament and New Testament studies through African traditional religion, church history, social theology, and Christian ethics to critical problems and methods. A proud author of over 73 publications encapsulated in articles in national and international journals, book chapters, and reviews. Professor Chinwoku has distinguished himself with membership of professional and other related bodies. He's an elected member of Studiorum Novi Testamenti Societas. England Foundation. Member, Nigerian Association of Biblical Studies. Member, International Association for the Promotion of Christian Higher Education, USA. Member, American Academy of Religion. Member, Society of Biblical Literature, USA. Member, Nigerian Society for the Study of Religion. His intellectual peers, researchers, mentees, and academic neophytes quote him copiously. He is a dedicated academic who sees excellence and standards through the eyes of the renowned Greek philosopher Aristotle, who says, in a voice laden with conviction and sincerity, that we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Professor Chinwoku is an astute researcher and has exemplified in his active participation in the publications of academic journals in his area of expertise. His services in this area include editor, African Journal of Biblical Studies, 1985 to 1990, editor, Suka Journal of Religious Studies, 1996, member, Faculty of Social Science, editorial board, 1986 to 87. As expected of a religious expert of his caliber, Lenanya has honorably rendered honest and enviable services to the church. These services have endeared him to the ranks and file of the Presbyterian Church in national and international circles. Apart from serving in the government councils of several seminaries, he is at present rendering his characteristic excellent services in the following capacities: Chairman, Education Department, Presbyterian Church of Nigeria, 1988 to present. Member, General Assembly Executive Committee, Presbyterian Church of Nigeria, 1988 to present. Chairman, East Central Synod Education Committee, Presbyterian Church of Nigeria, 1998 till date. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, as the world gets into oblivion resulting from man's inhumanity to the disadvantaged, as men of letters become rarer, as intellect recedes into the concepts of cause and effect, as religion becomes a matter of lips, there is no wonder that men in the caliber of our inaugural lecturer, Reverend Professor Manuel Ileanya Chinwoku, are very hard to come by.